Inviting other users to your platform. Here is how you do that, and I'll also show you a couple of tricks that are nice to know when you invite others. So let's take a look. So you are the platform manager and you have activated the platform. And by the way, if you haven't activated the platform yet, we have a video showing you how to do that. Now you want to invite your other users to the platform as well. What you will do is to go into your platform. And by the way, if you can't find the login screen, you can use this web address. When you log in, create a web browser bookmark so you can easily get to it next time. When you log in, you want to go to the platform management dashboard. You can find that here in the dashboard list over to the left. You will go to the members section, then you press the invite new members, and you can now enter email addresses and choose what roles that they are going to have. I'll enter my email addresses to the colleagues, and I can also choose what user right the members are going to have, either regular members or administrators. I can choose the location and then I press next. In this case, I'm going to assign the users the collaborative designer for SolidWorks role. And this will also give the users the collaborative industry innovator role, which is a prerequisite. If you want, you can now choose not to restrict the role to be used on this platform, and this will enable your users to use their own license when they are invited to other companies' platforms, if you want to do that later. We will press next, and we will choose not to use the SolidWorks add-in. Instead, we will use the regular add-in that is included in the Design with SolidWorks app. So your users are now notified by email that they are invited, and once they log in, they will consume a license and start using that platform. And until they log in, they will be listed as pending in the list that you can see here. That's all it takes to invite your users into the platform. And as soon as they log in, you can start creating stuff and collaborate in your projects. That's it. See you next time.